This adventure continues our four-wheel drive in northwest Namibia. Early on day 22, we broke our Spitzkoppe camp and headed back off-road, following a route north from the Tracks for Africa series. Our objective was the Omaruru River, another dusty, dry riverbed. An area with a natural spring changes the color of the landscape.
Made it out of the riverbed into a nice 40-something degree day.
We're heading west by northwest toward another riverbed. Back in the Ugab, but this time much further upstream.
This is an actual spring. It's wet year-round, even if it's 43 degrees out here.
Green means water and wildlife.
And the problem is, over there are the elephants. We backpedal because of the elephants anyway, right? Turn back and do a detour? Okay, let's go find a bypass.
That is a big elephant footprint. I didn't have time to focus, and Ben didn't have time to hang around. An elephant approaching with ears flapping signals danger. I guess that was the owner of that footprint.
Some more elephants blocking the way.
Time for another detour. Two more elephants, but this time they're safely off to our side.
Uh-oh.
More angry elephants in our way. Time to move quickly and get ahead of them.
Hey, where were we today?
We made it back to the old spot we've been before after doing a big loop. This is the Ugab River off the Ugab River.
It must be time to cook again because I can see the preparation is starting for the onions and the chakalaka.